last week somebody here tipped me off that songstress and like worldwide superstar Taylor Swift might be getting into sewing. And I was like, let me try to find like where you're hearing that. Let me see if I can find the video. So I did manage to find a super short video of Taylor Swift posting what appears to be sewing videos. All right, so for all you Swifties out there who also sew, and maybe this is a good sign for the sewing industry because this might encourage all of Taylor Swift's massive fan base to try sewing. If she's doing it, they love to do what Taylor does. You know, everyone's going to go out and date a football player now because Taylor is dating an NFL player. I don't know, guys. So I managed to find her post. Now, I can't play the audio because it's got copyrighted music, but I do want to share. All right, I'm going to have to, all right, I think the audio's off. So Taylor Swift posted this to her YouTube Shorts feed. All right, so this is very like blink and you'll miss it. So I'll play it here. All right, so it says, so here's her, all right, here's her with her cat, and it's to the tune of her song Fortnite. All right, here's her working out. Wow, she looks amazing. All right, so here it is. Apparently she has like this looks like kind of an entry-level sewing machine. This looks like a brother to me. What do you guys think? So it's like a 1-second clip of her, like, this doesn't appear to be a project. It looks like she's just like testing out the sewing machine, but it does look like she bought a sewing machine or at least has access to one. So that's kind of cool. So here is the clip. Okay. So she appears to be doing decorative stitches. Also, here's her like fun nails. So yeah, she's doing some stitches. This looks like a brother to me. Like this looks like an entry-level brother. I also do appreciate that she didn't get like a $20,000 sewing machine. It looks like she's got like a $200 machine. All right. And there she is doing some type of hand sewing. So you can see she has like some, it looks like she cut out like a butterfly. And she's doing some hand sewing. And now she's doing some baking. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, that cat. So it does appear that Taylor Swift, this cat, guys, I can't with the cat. This cat is hilarious. But it does appear that Taylor Swift, the, like, goddess of the world, has started to sew. So maybe that means a lot of her fans will... Let me see if I can find any articles about her sewing, because I think it's really cool. And again, we need more celebrities to sew so that it can become popular and more people do it. All right. Okay, and people are wondering what sewing machine she has and stuff. All right, I don't see any like news articles about it, just some random social media posts. Okay, there's like a few articles about like what she's doing, but not really specifically about like the sewing period. Let me see if I can bring this up. I don't know if okay, is this going to be paywalled or not? I don't know. Everything's paywalled now. That's kind of a problem. All right, so Taylor Swift is keeping her fans and her boyfriend well fed. One day after the release of her surprise double album, The Tortured Poets Department, the singer-songwriter shared a behind-the-scenes look at her life and romance with Travis Kelce with the sweet video featuring a new single, Fortnite, featuring Post Malone. All right, so it's got her, yeah, are they even going to mention that? Okay, sewing. Literally, all we get, guys, is one word, sewing. So yeah, what is she making? Is she going to feature more of her sewing? And do you think that Taylor Swift, like, do you feel like if she made a bigger deal of her sewing and advertised it more, like kind of, do you feel like this would encourage more young people to all of a sudden develop an interest in sewing? What do you think? What do you think? I mean, I really think it could. She seems to have a very large, massive influence over a lot of people. So who knows? Who knows? All right, Tracy says that'll bring foot traffic into Joanne. Yeah, Joanne, I don't know if they have the money, but somebody should hire Taylor to do like an ad there. Or maybe Michaels will do it. I don't know. Okay, this is a good question. Could Taylor's interest in sewing have to do with the NFL wife who you showed a few weeks ago, who was restyling some official NFL gear into more feminine styles? It could. It does seem to have a friendly relationship with Kristen Juszczyk, who is really big into sewing. So, I mean, maybe she has some friends. I feel like Taylor Swift could single-handedly make sewing very trendy again. All right, read machines with different colors. Here's a business idea. Someone designed machine tattoos, designs to stick on machines. I would buy removable decals. That's a great idea, Debbie, because I see a lot of people putting stickers on their sewing machines. And while I like the idea, I don't like to do permanent things to my stuff. Like, I don't put stickers on a lot of stuff, but if it was easily removable, I would be more interested in doing it if it was easy to take off. Taylor Swift was a knitter when she started. I did not know that. That is very interesting. Huh. All right, the last time I was in Joann in Everett, Washington, I was treated rudely by all but one person, and there weren't but several customers in the store. Ooh, well, that's not good. Is she really sewing crafting, or is it a lifestyle photo shoot? I mean, who knows? She's a celebrity. Like, I have no idea. But Taylor does seem to be into, like, that kind of stuff. I've heard some stories that she likes baking a lot. So she does seem to be into those types of activities. So I would not be surprised.